Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I just want to say a big thank you to every single one of you guys for subscribing, for showing so much love, for all your positive comments and your feedback. You guys are just awesome. Thank you very much. So now for this, let's get back into this beauty. And part 3, we put the car together, the coolant system, so everything lines up good. So in this video, we're gonna take the car apart once again, and we're gonna blend the doors. So I gotta take the doors apart because this is a very tricky color. It's a 3-stage yellow with the pearl. So for that perfect paint, we'll blend them so you can't tell the difference. So enough of this talk, and let's get back to work. Alright, so we're gonna start by removing the bumper first, and then both headlights, and then we'll take the door apart. We gotta remove the mirror, the molding, and the door handle on both sides, so this way we could blend the door. Yeah, same with this side. And the car has a clear brush, so we're gonna have to remove the clear brush as well. That's gonna be fun. So let's get to work. Guys, sorry for the interruptions, but I got 2 special announcements to make. First of all, I want to say happy 4th of July to every single one of you guys. Make sure you guys go out, have some fun, enjoy your day, but be safe. And second of all, my birthday is coming up July 18th, so I want to give a little presents back to you guys as an appreciation for all the love and support that you guys been giving me. So let's go get the presents. So present number 1, LNC snapback hat, and present number 2, LNC Motorsport license plate frame. So all you have to do to enter the free giveaway, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and comment below #LNCFam, and that's it. That's the entrance to the giveaway. And on July 18th, I'll pick 2 random winners and I'll ship it to you guys. So thank you, good luck, and let's get back to work. Alright, the bumper is off, so next we'll do the headlights. We're gonna remove this one so we have better access and we don't have to mask anything for a cleaner job. And same with this headlight. Alright, we took the front end apart, headlights, bumpers, so the front end is ready for prepped. So we'll start taking the door apart now. So in order to remove the door panel, I'm gonna remove this. It snaps off. There's a screw right here, so this little cover comes off, and 1, 2, 3 screws holding the door handle, so you gotta pop this cover as well, and it should come off once we remove all the screws. So we'll start by removing this panel. Snaps off very easy. The reason why we had to remove this one, in order to pop this cover open, you have to remove this. Boom, comes off, nice and easy. So 1, 2, 3, 4 screws are holding the door panel. Then I usually get something like this and this tool to pop the door panel. Then on this side you got the door cable and then couple wire plugs. So you gotta disconnect all that good stuff and the panel will come up. So in order to remove this door handle, you gotta slide this plastic and then pop this cover, and 3 screws are holding the door handle from behind. So I'll show you in a minute. First you pop this guy out, and then what you do, you slide this door handle, and these 2 pieces came out. Tools like this, then you gotta pop this cover out. Kind of stupid way they did this system, but that's the only way to remove the door handle. And then there's 3 screws from behind holding the actual door handle. So in order to remove the side mirror on this molding, you have to remove the glass. So we remove the glass real quick. You gotta remove the speaker and this cover. So in order to remove the glass, you gotta remove this screw, 1, and then screw right here, and it'll come off. So now I could remove the mirror. 1, 2, 3 screws are holding the mirror. Alright, the mirror is off. So now I gotta remove this molding. So one screw's holding, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 clips, and then there's another screw right here, and the molding will come off. Alright, and the door is completely apart. So if you want to remove the door handle completely, all you gotta do is remove 1 and 2 more screws on the other side, and the door handle will come off completely. And this will come off completely. The reason I didn't remove it, because I don't need to remove the door, I just need to mask this off so I could get the clear everywhere. And that's it, something like that. Alright, so we removed everything from this door so we could paint this door, no problem. Remove the door handle. So we'll tape the rest of this off. And same with this side. The car has a clear bra, so I'm gonna remove this because we're gonna blend the door. Alright, we took the car apart, removed the mirrors, the door handles, headlights, bumper. Same with this side. So now we're ready for paint. We'll start prepping the car, and off to the spray booth it goes. Alright guys, that's a wrap for part 4. Make sure you guys stay tuned for part 5. We'll be painting the whole front end, blending the doors. So for now, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up if you guys like the video. If you don't, sorry, sucks to be you. See you guys in the next one. Peace.